If the beverage center on your Bespoke refrigerator needs to be replaced, you may experience one or more of the following symptoms. You may notice that water is not being dispensed. The AutoFill pitcher is not filling with water or only partially filling. First, determine the issue. If water isn't dispensing, water isn't filling the AutoFill pitcher, or both, make sure the water supply is connected and turned on. Also, check the water lines and make sure they aren't kinked. Then, try dispensing some water. If no water dispenses, remove the top lid and check the water supply line to the beverage center. If water is dispensing, but the AutoFill pitcher is not filling or only partially filling, ensure that AutoFill mode is enabled. Make sure there isn't any condensation on or in the pitcher. Empty and dry off the pitcher completely and remove any moisture buildup on the back and top area of the inner case. Also, check the rubber plug at the base of the pitcher to make sure water hasn't spilled into this area. Make sure it is drained or empty. Lastly, ensure that your refrigerator is level from front to back and left to right. Be sure to use genuine Samsung parts and confirm that the part is compatible with your refrigerator model and type. All you need to replace the beverage center is a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, open both the left refrigerator door and the beverage center door. Next, remove all the door bins and the AutoFill pitcher. Using the small flathead screwdriver, remove the cover tabs from the top of the beverage center assembly, and then remove the screws. Lift the beverage center lid straight up to remove it. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws from the top rail of the beverage center and then remove the rail. Next, disconnect the wire harness. Using the small flathead screwdriver, remove the red collar from the water hose connector. Now, disconnect the water hose by pushing it in and squeezing the gray collar to loosen the hose to remove. Then, remove the 2 screws from both sides of the beverage center assembly. Lift the beverage center assembly up and pull the bottom towards the inside of the door and then lower it to remove. Now it's time to install the new beverage center. Take the new beverage center assembly and slide it down into the door until it's in place. Then, reinstall the 2 screws to both sides of the beverage center. Reinsert the water hose into its connector. Replace the red collar and then reconnect the wire harness. Next, reattach the rail and secure it back into place with the 2 screws. Next, lower the beverage center lid back into position. Reinstall the screws and then replace the screw cover tabs. Finally, put the AutoFill pitcher and door bins back into place.